best Korean kitchen. I'm in Korea in my parents' house now. I'm having 14 days quarantine at home while my parents are staying in resort because of me. My parents has a small farm in the yard. I pick up lettuce and garlic from there. I will show you how Korean eat samgyeopsal at home. Shall we begin? Go go! For Samgyupsal dining, first step, make Ssamjang. There are several ways to make Ssamjang. Number 1, if you guys have Ssamjang, that's fine. Number 2, you have Ssamjang but you want to add some more seasoning, then you can add some chopped garlic and sesame oil. Number 3, no Ssamjang but you have Doenjang. I'm gonna show you how to make delicious Ssamjang from Doenjang, like me. I have 3 tablespoons of Doenjang, minced garlic, around 1 tablespoon, chopped green onion, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon sesame seed, and some sesame oil, and mix it. It smells very nice because of sesame seeds and sesame oil. Wow, look delicious. I'm going to make green onion salad. My friends were asking me how to make this. Actually, it's very easy. I will show you. Slice green onion, long shredded, like this. Whatever, it's okay, as long as long shredded. Cut into half, and like this. After that, soak in the water for 10 to 20 minutes to wash spicy. Next, boil the bean sprout. It's just a handful of sprout. 1 teaspoon of salt. And let it boil. And it's boiled now. Let it 5 minutes to more boil. Then do not open the cover. It'll have smell if you open the cover before cooked. The smell comes from uncooked bean sprout. If you open the cover accidentally before cook the sprouts, then let just boil until the end. It's been 4 minutes. Let's open. I told you a while ago to boil 5 minutes. So it's uncooked. And I opened the cover. So I'll just wait around 1 minute. I'm going to rinse in a cold water. Let's drain it. Now I have a green onion and bean sprout. So I have a 2 versions today. Green onion and bean sprout together. The other one is green onion only. I will season green onion and bean sprout, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of hot pepper flakes, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, and 1 tablespoon of sugar, some sesame seeds, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, and mix it. And green onion alone, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of hot pepper flakes, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, some sesame seeds, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Mix it. Let's prepare grilled parts. I have a samgyeopsal and mushroom, onion, and the garlic I get from my father's farm. And I stole it from my father's yard. I will start to grill the samgyeopsal. Wow, the sound's very nice. It makes me hungry. Do you know what is samgyeopsal? Samgyeopsal means that triple fold fat, like this. Meat, fat, meat, fat, meat, fat, like that. Triple. 3, number 3. That's samgyeopsal. I'm gonna sprinkle some pepper and salt over the samgyeopsal. Like this. And pepper. When the samgyeopsal cooks, more turn. Turn once again. Look at the color. And cut it bite-sized pieces. I'm going to show you how to eat this. Hold the lettuce up on your hand and pick samgyeopsal. Which one? I like this. And Ssamjang, grilled mushroom, grilled garlic, green onion salad, and wrap it and eat it. It's still hot. Super yummy. This time I will have 2 different lettuce. Big samgyeopsal here. And delicious Ssamjang. Mushroom again, my favorite. Grilled onion. Grilled garlic. It's really nice. Bean sprout and green onion mixed salad. And wrap it. Wow, very big. I'll eat it. And another way, 삼겹살 dip in Ssamjang. I can't stop it. So delicious. This is how we eat samgyeopsal at home. You can add kimchi here. It's also nice. If you don't have this lettuce, you can use other green vegetables. Today, you know how to make Ssamjang and green onion salad too. You guys prepare samgyeopsal and call your friend and loved ones. When you make Ssamjang and green onion salad, just follow my recipe. Enjoy your meal. 감사합니다.